Hi guys, how's it going? In this video we're going to be quickly opening a booster pack for my own game, Wrath of Course 2. This has got the 2.5 update in it, which is the Pirates archetype, whilst I'm working on the newer archetype. Oh no. Jeez, right, okay. Straight up about, we've got a Royal X-Glare. So the Royal is like the rarest type of card you can find. It's like your equivalent to your legendaries. And X-Glare is basically, it's got all this really nice colouring in the background. It's like an alternative type of card to find, so that's actually quite rare initially. So yeah, that's gonna go to one side. Then we're starting off with the common, I believe. Yeah, I think we have the commons at the front, barring that X-Glare, so I don't know why that got the special privilege of being at the front of the pack. But yeah, we've got a common, Traitor's Plank. So this is one of the new pirate cards, where you discard a card from your hand and then your opponent reveals their hand. Voodoo Doll from the Witch archetype. Sharpened Blades from the Knights. Witch Mentor, so it tells you down here what archetype this card kind of was released with. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to play it in a witch deck, for example. You could play it as long as your core has got a bit of black in that one, that's fine. Creepy Laughter. Vial of Poison, obviously up here is your rarities. Wandering Pylysium. Honoured Samurai. Mass Explosion, this is artwork from the original Wrath of Course 1. That's from the beta set. All the beta cards have got artwork from the original game, should I say. Floating Chest, 1 cost to draw 2 cards. Aggressive Maceman, that's an uncommon from the Knight faction, 4/4. Witch Envoy, which is an uncommon unit, 0/4. We're getting into the better cards shortly. Electrified Strength. Wizard Knight, which is a collaboration with the last 10 elements. That's where he's provided me the artwork. So our first rare is Fleet Tactics. Search your deck for any ship type unit and put it into your top of your deck. For this turn only, you may reduce the cost of that unit by 1 and play it. So it's a good way of like tutoring for a powerful ship unit from the Pirate archetype. Then we've got our art piece. So it's a piece of a puzzle I've not actually got. So these are like puzzle pieces basically. And then if you get all 9 pieces, you can fill an A4 display frame with it. And our last piece is a rare glare, which is a heavy gold sword warrior. So it's come from the Knights faction, this one. It's quite an old card actually, but I do think I've got a couple of copies of this in glare. So yeah, at least it's not a common glare, but obviously pick of a pack is going to be Pandora in X glare. Unfortunately, I've already got this one as well. So that'll be one for the spares and the repairs. And our rares, our 2 rares for the pack is Fleet Tactics and Wizard Knights. So yeah, wasn't too bad of a pack. Probably like what, a 7 out of 10, something like that, 6 out of 10. Because we're all of the rare. These glares can be of any variety, so really we could have pulled some commons and uncommon glares, but we were quite lucky and we got 2 rares, so that's pretty cool. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and be sure to leave a comment. I'll see you next time.